mic పెట్టేసి.
Yeah, they are all here. We'll show you.
Here too.
What is it?
Mic.
No, not okay.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा. वीडियो में आवाज. What do we do to the national scale?
So this,
Difference how far you are doing?
yeah, this. Can we go back? So this is a all-terrain vehicle. So like Punjab, there was big floods. So then this vehicle saved a lot of people. It can go into water, into slushy land, into sea, into river. So this vehicle is very, very useful. Army, one helicopter crashed in a very difficult terrain. So to rescue the pilots and people, this vehicle were used. So Army has bought many of them, and Punjab State has also bought. So
What is the cost?
about 1 crore rupees, I think so. 2 crores rupees. 2 crore. 2 crore. Yes, sir. This is very important.
Sports where you are doing?
So like Neeraj Chopra is our athlete.
So Vijayanagaram, what is the infrastructure you are having?
We have a big center, sir, sports. So we have 400 athletes. We are training there every day.
What is the infrastructure?
It's a high performance center. We have around 50 acres. All the sports people stay there, and we have gymnasium, all the high performance boxing
I
ring.
want to create one of the best sports infrastructure in Amaravati.
Okay, so sir, we can work on that. We should, if you can send your people there.
I will send and then we'll go. This is the world best infrastructure. I want to
We
create.
have created like that only. You will be very happy to see.
That's good.
Yeah, please. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Reality and how much you are doing?
We have recently started, sir. Now in Mumbai, we have very, very many big projects we are doing, sir.
No, even Amaravati we aim. Real estate is the future.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. We invest in startup companies.
You have to come to venture capital also.
Yeah.
I am starting number of startups.
In Amravati.
Amaravati, not only Amaravati, 5 centers. Now I have given you 1 center to you.
Okay.
This region,
Correct.
Anantapur.
Okay.
Tata Innovation Hub
Okay.
is headed by JSU.
Acha,
We
okay.
are requesting it.
Okay, sir, definitely. Yeah. Yes.
Good portfolios.
This video is full of Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, this is what we are doing in Andhra Pradesh.
This is our everlasting ever growing relationship with Andhra Pradesh and its presence. We just start the videos. It's just 2 minutes.
Yes.
Please go next. So for this night,
Andhra Pradesh presence, footprint, sir. All the companies and all the investments, totaling to 50,000 crores in Andhra Pradesh, current and future.
Whatever we have invested and what we are going to invest is going to be 50,000.
This is Rayalaseema state. Now we are talking of the Rayalaseema region, sir. How it is going to change. This is the JSW Steel Energy. It is going to be side by side. This is the infrastructure. Water will come, from Mailavaram Dam, the road from NH67, railway connectivity and power. Everything will be there. And this region, this is a township, proposed township also, sir. This is how bird's eye view it will look. Phase 1 and phase 2. So scrap recycling is the highlight. We'll be using scrap and DRI, but circular economy.
This is the green steel. Even energy will be solar energy.
Yes, sir.
What's printing also clean energy.
Green energy. Yeah. Everything, only green.
This is the casting process. And this is the beam, the product, the final product.
This is all for building constructions and all.
So this is first in India that we are making 1 meter wide beams. This is the first in India. 1016 millimeters. 1 meter wide. Rolled heavy sections. And now we'll show the usage of this. This is how it is used. So steel intensive buildings. Rather than concrete buildings, steel intensive infrastructure.
All the railway bridges, this multi-story building, Burj
Sir.
is made with steel, sir.
Yes. And this is our
This is our headquarters in Bombay.
Headquarters in Bombay, sir.
It's also
Site-
steel, fully.
Site to behold, sir. This is looks very good when you make steel buildings. It is high on efficiency
Yeah.
and it looks faster.
Yes. Sir.
So we have the model, sir. There.
So this is the model of the plant. Explain.
Yes, sir. So this is the model of our high section mill, the Rayalaseema steel. So here we have the EAF scrap feeding. We have the caster heating furnace. So this is the 1 million ton high section mill.
That is the
This
phase
the
2.
Land for phase 2. And around this we have the land for our energy plant, which they will produce renewable energy, which will feed to our plant.
So this will be India's first green steel plant.
Yeah.
To manufacture, we will export into Europe and everywhere. And then we can expand. Once we capture the market, then we can build more capacity. So we have enough land, we have enough area for solar, so it will be...
Sir, we pour concrete here, sir.
we put on.
Yeah, we put it.
Good.
We went from this product, sir.
Yeah. पूरी इधर आ जा.
This is the complete phase 1. Out of that is phase 1 and we have poured the complete this place. Yes. Now the plant comes from here, sir. We have the scrap and from there the electric arc furnace that will come to the furnace and then goes to the combi caster. Caster 2 it goes to the
Rolling mill.
total plant where we are producing the product will be the different types.
This is totally circular economy,
Yes, sir.
100%.
Yes.
No waste will come from this.
So waste will be recycled.
Recycle.
Tell you what I'm
Yes.
saying. It will go in circular economy.
Yes.
Even water will be recycled, even steel scrap will be, any waste will be
Even
recycled.
all waste.
Zero discharge plants.
Net zero.
Net zero. Power also, no waste, everything.
Water will conserve.
Water, everything.
You can recycle.
Absolutely.
Everything.
Everything.
We have low emissions, sir. We're not doing zero emission, low emission. Sir.
Yeah, no emission. No emission. Even dust will be recycled.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are the products that will be
This
made.
is how the product will look finally, sir. This is the actual size. This size of beam is not made in India till now. 1 meter wide. It's used in infrastructure. sir.
As of now, people are importing or fabricating this. sir.
So this is the Vijayanagaram Industrial Park. Please explain.
Rajaram, sir.
Rajaram, he is the in charge.
So this is 1166 acres, one of the largest private parks in North Andhra. We're looking at an employment of about 45,000 people and very well connected. Sir. This goes to Araku Valley, about 50 kilometers from
1300.
Bhogapuram as well as from the port, and extremely well connected.
Defense of.
They have lands for MSMEs as well as for large industries. They have already signed up LOIs for about 100 acres, both large and small. It's an integrated development with a walk to work. So people can actually live here and walk very closely. So it has got residential, industrial, commercial, all of it together. Extremely well located. You've got the Tatipudi reservoir from where the water is coming. There's a HT line which is going through. There's a railway line which is right there. And there's a national highway which is connecting, sir. And about 5 kilometers from the Raipur.
Tatipudi River.
That's a Tatipudi reservoir from where it's and about 5 kilometers. So this is in the Visakhapatnam economic region zone. Extremely thriving, sir. We're getting a lot of very good inquiries.
When you are starting this?
Already begun, sir. They already
Four
signed
units, they are going to have an LOA today, sir. So that the activity will start in this park, sir.
Now, can we announce today it is started or otherwise?
Inauguration only, sir. Today is inauguration.
Both inauguration.
Yes.
Inauguration.
And sir, that land is very close to Araku.
Yeah.
So that will become a resort. That idea is that it will become a resort for Araku because after this no construction is allowed. Nobody can make.
Yeah. Now, what you are going to do that?
So we are going to bring the world's best resort people to build world-class resorts
So why
here.
can't you start with sports in Amaravati?
Sports will be Amravati.
That is different. This is the where this is the Araku entry point.
Correct, sir.
Tourism.
Correct, sir.
Then you can, how many acres
This is how many acres? 360 acres, sir. Huge land.
you are going to make it 360 acres experience center.
That can be made, sir. That area.
Then what I am asking,
we can
next to that is only forest.
Yes.
Only forest.
Only forest. So I think it's
This is the
forest.
last point. After that, forest.
And after that, scheduled area starts, sir.
I can understand. I am asking you what you are going to do it. One of the most beautiful
Resort
resort
with
and
golf course.
everything.
Yeah, yeah. Only 45 kilometers from the airport.
Airport 45. Araku, it is matter of very.
Another half an hour.
And also your train is going there.
Yes, sir.
Train is going. Yes, this is the train.
That is the train.
Yeah.
Connectivity will be given.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that they will go have experience.
That's correct.
That is a very big resort. You
Very
can make
big.
it.
Yes, sir.
All varieties.
World's best resort. It
Yeah.
can come there.
Yeah.
I will work on that.
Yeah, you work it out.
Yes, sir.
You send me details.
I will.
I will also go through.
Okay.
Then we will build the best.
Yes, sir. Perfect. Yes,
Thank you,
that's a
sir.
Great idea.
Thank you.
Sir, this is the drone which we are manufacturing in Hyderabad for the defense. This is for his major.
I'm Commander Srikanth. sir. I'm ex-naval Indian Navy, and then I've joined JSW. So this particular drone is called VBAT, and it is in a joint venture with Shield AI, which is a Texas-based company. Presently, manufacturing will be commencing soon in Hyderabad, and we are the manufacturing partners for Shield AI. The drone is mainly used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, and it can go up to a height of about 18,000 feet, can fly up to 1,200 kilometers with SATCOM capabilities, and it is mainly used for by defense forces for intelligence, surveillance, and can be fitted with a EOIR camera, sir, on the nose and with a radar on the belly. And it can fly up till 12 hours of it has an endurance.
And it can take off from the truck.
And
From the back of the truck, this can take off out from the ship.
And from a ship, sir, from a moving platform, it can take off and land. It takes off vertically, does the entire mission horizontally, and then lands
How
back.
far you are very strong in drone technology?
Sir, as of now, we are good, sir. We have the technology for.
Not only this, what I am asking, both civilian application and defense application, both will have to work together. I started Drone City itself.
Oh.
Is in Orvakallu, in between Ballari and here.
Sir, we are
okay.
presently flying from Orvakkal, sir. We are JSW
That
is the
is
first
what I am
company.
asking
Yes,
you.
sir.
Why can't you start both commercial and pilots training, everything?
Training already we have started from Oracle, sir. Training for this one.
Training we are doing manufacturing. Manufacturing also, if you can start from
20 ఎకరాలు
Oracle.
అడిగారు సార్ ఎక్కువ అడుగుపండి
We should have gone there
20
only.
ఎకరాలు అడిగారు ఎక్కువ అడగమని చెప్పారు
No, 20 or 50 acres I am prepared to give. You make it drone your hub.
Yeah.
That is the future. Even transportation of all our vegetables, fruits,
Should happen with drone.
అంబులెన్స్ ట్రైన్స్
That is the
ambulance.
future.
Even I am working ambulance,
Ambulance.
drone ambulance, and also transport drone taxi.
Oh, drone taxi within the city.
Now I want to make in Amaravati. There is some helipads.
Okay.
There, drone helipad. Anybody can drop there and then they'll move.
సార్ డ్రోన్ సిటీ ఆల్సో సార్ హెస్ టోల్డ్ టు బిల్డ్ 1 kilometer air strip, sir. We have an airstrip available, so that is an advantage because you can test there
In
only.
future.
Correct. In that.
Drone city, Kurnool, and it's a separate
Oracle
airspace
you are
we are creating.
using.
Yes, sir.
There I am making.
It's a
also.
separate airspace, sir. Up to you can go up to 10,000 meters.
Okay.
Separate airspace we are creating.
Future is drone.
Yeah.
Future is space and electronics.
Yeah.
Aerospace.
Correct.
You are having patience. You concentrate in aerospace.
Aerospace. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for your administration, sir. We could get the Kurnool base operational in a record time,
Yeah.
and it is the only base which is operational in India.
No, I want to make it real time. We will.
Yeah.
Yes,
Seamless.
yes, yes.
We'll make it out.
Please.
No, you be in touch our people.
Yes,
So
sir.
put that-
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sir, you will.
Yes, sir.
Come.